Australia, like many developed nations all over the world, are going through a decarbonisation sprint as we start to move away from non-renewable energy sources in our electricity system to more renewable energy sources, or a greater penetration of renewable energy sources. We're faced with, a multi-dimensional challenge, whether it's different stakeholders, whether it's, endangered flora and fauna, and just the sheer scale of some of these generators bring a suite of different complexities. Now, what that means is that the builder of that generator and let's say the consumer or the buyer of that electricity are forced to start engaging earlier to help deal with some of these complexities. We talk about it like risk, but fundamentally it's dealing with complexity very, very, very early on. What that allows a lot of other passive investors, right, banks, other equity investors, superannuation funds, is that by seeing or being part of the early engagement with a seller of electricity and a builder of electricity, you get a lot more confidence that a project of this scale and nature, a project that approaches the gigawatt scale, will actually get to be built. What we need is, stable policy. What we need is passive, low cost of capital as well. And we need a very, very strong workforce that has the skills to be able to navigate some of these complex challenges brought on by the environment. And what we're starting to find is that value isn't about the lowest cost. It's about making sure that there is security in supply, that there is fair value. We want the seller to get paid, and we want the buyer to pay a fair value for the commodity that they're using.